Okay, so today we're going to look at this particular kind of problem where we are going to, as it says here, find the equation of a line that passes through the points, and you'll be given a list of points. In this case, we've assigned our points. So the first point, -1, 4, and the second point, 1, -2. We've assigned them to these x1, y1 values and the x2, y2 values that you may have seen in the gradient formula earlier. So we've chosen those ones, and we're going to go through a series of 4 steps to, as it says at the top there, find the equation of the line. So our first step is we're going to define our equation. Second step here is we're going to find our gradient, okay, the m value. Then we're going to find the c value, as it says in step 3. And finally, we'll have our n, we'll have our c, we'll build that equation in this final step stating the equation. So let's make a start, and we're going to firstly define this equation. So the equation that we've been looking at so far has been the equation of the format y equals mx plus c. Okay, so this is going to allow us to use our m values. This is going to allow us to use our c value from steps 2 and 3. And once we know those, we're going to have our equation for a line. Okay, so this is our step 1 up here. So you can see we've got our 1-for-1 match. We've done that first step, so now going on to step 2. Okay, we're going to find our gradient. Now, we know from earlier that our m value can be rewritten as, which one is it? It's the y2, so our rise, okay, over our run, the x values, so y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Okay, now it turns out we've been given this set of points, so we can quite easily substitute those in. So let's do that and see what it looks like. So y2 is a -2, y1 is a 4, okay, over, looking at our x values, we've got our 1, and up top we're subtracting a -1, or a -1 I should say. Is this right? So let's have a look, x1, x2, y1, okay, so we're almost there. We're going to figure out this top line. We're starting at -2 on another line, we get a -4, we end up at -6. Okay, and subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a number, so 1 plus 1 gives us a 2 on the bottom. We can simplify this a little bit further and call that -3. So we've found our m value. Okay, we've got our gradient. Step 2 down here, done. Let's have a look a little bit further. It says here, find the c value. So what is our strategy for finding this c value? Well, it turns out, okay, we've got a set of points, okay, up here, okay, actually let's have a quick look at where we left off the gradient. This means, okay, we're partially here, let's just put that n value back into our equation. So y is now equal to -3x, we still don't know our c, plus c. Okay, so, but these x and y, okay, we do have the conditions in one of our points here where we can substitute in some values. We can then have the only unknown being our c values. So this is going to be our step 3. Okay, so let's have a go at that. We're going to substitute in, we could choose either x1, y1 or x2, y2. We're going to choose the second one just because it's smaller numbers. So let's go with substituting in, okay, what was it, 1, -2 into this equation above, okay, gives, okay, which one's the y? -2, so -2 equals, we've got a 1, so -3 times 1, and we don't know the c yet, plus c. Okay, let's look at what this looks like when we simplify. We've got a negative 2 equals negative 3 plus c. Okay, so we want to now just bring the c all to one side. Okay, and we're going to end up with the minus 3 becoming a positive, so plus 3 to both sides. Okay, gives us a 1 equals c. Okay, so we've done step 1, 2, 3, we've found our c value. Okay, and this is going to let us, with our c, with our m value, it's going to help us now build our final step, our equation. So I'm just going to put this up the top so it's a bit easier to see. Step 4, stating our equation. Let's put it in there again. So our, what have we got? Y equals mx plus c. So y equals negative 3x plus 1. All we've done is substitute in our gradient, which substituted in our constant or our c value. Okay, and we've got an equation for line from those 2 points. So this is your type of problem that you'll be wanting to solve. You might have a different set of points. Okay, but have a look at one of these yourselves now.